Next comes my acceptance emails. So what are these emails all about? As the word acceptance suggests, an acceptance email is an email you write to officially agree to all the terms and conditions that have been put in the job offer or that have been put by the other company. Next, you send this email to your further or future employer that you are accepting or you're fine with all the details shared with you. Now here, your employer may add this email to your file to properly document the same. Thus, this reply email, which is an acceptance email, has to be framed properly. A recruiter or the HR representative will guide you as to how exactly to send your acceptance and what you need to include. Maybe they're asking for your official documents, maybe they're asking for your signatures, maybe they're asking for your image, etc. Here are a few steps that you need to follow for the acceptance email. Your acceptance email should include a concise subject line that indicates why you are writing the same. What is it that you're accepting? Is it a job offer? Is it the terms and conditions laid down by the organization, etc.? Address the letter to the appropriate party. Otherwise, it'll seem that you are not interested. Thank the addressee for the offer because you're accepting it. That means you're fine with all the T&Cs. Agree to and list the terms of employment. So when we are talking about the terms of employment, you are agreeing to each one of them. Read the same document carefully so that there is no confusion in near future. Complete your acceptance email with a short signature. Why is the signature important? This is basically because it shows your acceptance over each and everything that has been shared with you. Here's a small template for acceptance emails. The subject line says your name and offer acceptance. Dear, now the name of the person, the designation of the person whom you are writing back to. Usually these are the people from the HR department or your immediate seniors. Please accept this email as my formal acceptance to the offer that you have put in for me or of the offered position or for the terms and conditions laid by the organization. I thank you for the opportunity and I look forward to apply my skills to the position. So here you're talking about accepting the offer, you're talking about agreeing to each and every statement, and you're happy accepting this. As the offer letter displays, and we previously discussed on the phone, I accept that starting salary of whatever has been offered to you, or you can even mention the details if in case any you discussed. You're talking about the benefits, you're talking about the package being offered, etc. I look forward to beginning work and meeting the team on, you're supposed to mention your start date. If you require any additional information from me before then, please let me know. You can reach me on phone, mention your number there, or by email and you mention the address there. Even fax details can be mentioned. Thank you again for giving me the opportunity to demonstrate my value for the team. Yours sincerely and complete name here. When we're talking about acceptance emails, there are multiple examples that I'll have to give you. This is basically because they're written in multiple formats. Here, if you see, I have written and mentioned all the details that were there in the bracket. You may take 2 seconds and please read each and every word and every line carefully.